You know a spot, but not just a spot. The spot. Actually, with the all-new Nissan Frontier, you know a bunch of them. But the key to these great spots, being able to reach them in the first place. Your spot is out there. Find your Frontier, the all-new 2022 Nissan Frontier. Standard 310 horsepower, advanced tech, and 280 pound-feet.
Sure, you may be able to hear just how crispy the McDonald's crispy juicy tender chicken sandwich is, but that's just the beginning. The full crispy juicy tender experience comes after taking your first bite. But why stop there? Order ahead on the app and get medium fries and soft drinks.